Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss about the 11th class topic, first chapter of 11th class, some basic concept of chemistry. In some basic concept of chemistry, the first topic is the importance of chemistry. There are different branches of chemistry: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, medicinal chemistry, analytical chemistry. Different branches have different uses, but general, the different importance of the chemistry. First use is the chemistry in medicine. Taxol and cisplatin both are used in the cancer therapy. AZT, azidothymidine, used for the AIDS victim. Analgesic, that means painkiller. Antiseptic are the chemical which is used to cure the wounds. Disinfectant, which is inhibit the growth of the microorganism. Antiseptic, which is applied on the human body, but is disinfectant not applied on the human body. Anesthetic, antibiotic, first antibiotic discovered by the Alexander Fleming, penicillin G. Tranquilizer, depressant, hypnotics, these are the tranquilizer. Synthetic vitamins and tonics. Chemistry, use of the chemistry in industry. Synthetic fiber like rayon, nylon 6, nylon 6, dacron, that means stearin, arlan. These are the different synthetic fibers. Plastic like bakelite, teflon, polythene. Paints, varnishes, enamel, dyes, that means color. Use of the chemistry in cement and glass industry also. Now the use of the importance of the chemistry in agriculture. In agriculture, chemistry use different chemicals used as a fertilizer like urea, ammonium sulfate, calcium nitrate for the better production of the crops. Insecticides such as DDT, Gamaxane, preservative like sodium benzoate, salicylic acids. Chemistry in comforts, convenience and pleasure. Chemistry used in the energy sources, different energy sources. Now, the nature of matter. What is the matter? Anything that occupies the space and has a mass is called matter. Water, air, metal, plants, animal, all are the example of the metal. Matter can be classified into solid, liquid and gases on the basis of physical nature or the physical property. Solid have definite shape, definite volume. In solid, the constituent particles are very closely packed and have less freedom of movement. Liquid have definite volume but not definite shape. Liquid take the shape of the container in which it is filled. In liquid, the particles are close to each other but can move around. Gases neither have definite shape nor volume. In gases, the constituent particles are far apart and can move freely and easily. The three different states of matter can be interconverted, can be changed one state into another by changing the temperature and pressure. Chemical classification of matter. Matter can be classified into pure substance and mixture on the basis of chemical composition of various substances. Pure substance is which the composition of the different component is fixed composition, cannot be separated into simpler substance by the physical method, can only be changed in identity and properties by the physical method. But in mixture, there is a variable composition of the component and component retain their characteristics property. Components of the mixture can be separated into pure substance by the physical method. Types of pure substance. First is the element. Element may be defined as a pure substance which is made up of only one kind of atom. Elements is the pure substance which is made up only one type of atom. Cannot be decomposed further into the simpler substance. Element cannot be decomposed further into the simpler substance. Element can be divided into different types: metal, non-metal, metalloids. This metalloid is also called semi-metal. And second type of the pure substance is the compound. Compound may be defined as the pure substance which can be decomposed into the simpler substance by some suitable chemical method. The compound is formed by combination of two or more elements in a definite proportion by mass. In compounds, the constituent elements do not retain their identical property, in which the component lose their property and new substance is formed. This is the compound. Next is the mixture. Mixture have variable composition. Component retain their characteristic properties. May be separated into pure substance by physical method. Mixture of different composition may have widely different properties. Different types of mixture: homogeneous mixture, in which the components are completely mixed, in which the components lose their identity. Heterogeneous mixture, in which components are not completely mixed. There is a boundary between the two components. Now, what is by atomic mass? The atomic mass, or the mass of an atom, is actually very small, because atoms are extremely small. Different techniques are used to determine the atomic mass. But in past, the atomic mass measured by using the standard. Hydrogen, being the lightest element, have mass of 1 unit, and other element were assigned mass relative to that hydrogen. In present system, the atomic mass is based on the carbon-12 isotope as the standard, which is in which the IPC agreed upon in 1961. Carbon-12 is one of the isotope of carbon and represented as a carbon with a mass 12. One atomic mass unit is defined as the mass exactly is equal to 1/12 the mass of one carbon atom, and 1 AMU. Now AMU replaced by U, unified mass. 1 AMU is equal to 1.666 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, and mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24. Now the mass spectroscopy in present days, mass spectroscopy used for determining the atomic mass. But in the 19th century, the different standard used like hydrogen, oxygen, and then carbon. Now this time the carbon-12 used as a standard. Average atomic mass. Many naturally occurring elements exist as a more than one isotope, like carbon occur in carbon-12, carbon-13, and carbon-14 also. Oxygen 16, 17, 18. Different element occurs in different isotopic form. And now, how this atomic mass calculated for the different atomic mass? To calculate the average atomic mass of this isotope, average atomic mass taken into the consideration, and this average atomic mass calculated by taking the account of existence of this isotope and their relative abundance. How much percentage occurrence of the different isotope. Carbon had the 3 isotope with carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14, and out of these 3, carbon 12 occur in 98.89%, and carbon 13 1.1%, and carbon 14 is the radioactive and which occur in the very less amount. By using the percentage occurrence and the existence of the different isotope, average atomic mass taken, like chlorine have 2 isotope, carbon 35 and carbon 37. These two isotopes occur in the nature in the ratio of 3:1. But the average atomic mass of the chlorine is taken as 35.5. In the periodic table of the element, the atomic masses mentioned for the different elements actually represent their actual average atomic mass. In the table, the different element in periodic table, the different element given different atomic mass. This atomic mass is nothing but the average atomic mass. Now, the molecular mass. Molecular mass is used to determine the mass of molecule. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of the element present in a molecule. It is obtained by multiplying the atomic mass of each element by the number of its atom and then adding them together. Molecular mass of methane, which contain 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom, and for one carbon mass is 12U, and for hydrogen 1.008U. On calculating, the total molecular mass of methane is equal to 16.043U. Similarly, the molecular mass of the water, calculate 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into mass of oxygen, and mass of oxygen is 16U, mass of hydrogen is 1.0008U, and total is 18.02U. And also calculate the mass of the glucose. Glucose having the molecular formula C6H12O6, 6 into mass of 1 carbon 12.011U plus 12 into 12 hydrogen into mass of 1 hydrogen 1.008U plus 6 into mass of oxygen 16U, and total is 180.162U. And next is the formula unit mass. Some substances such as sodium chloride do not contain discrete molecule as a constant ion. This formula unit mass is generally used to calculate the mass of ionic compound. In such a compound, the positive and negative entities are arranged in a 3-dimensional structure. One point noted that in NaCl or silver chloride, 1 Na plus is surrounded by 6 Cl minus, and 1 6 Cl minus is surrounded by 6 Na plus. That means this is called a coordination number. In NaCl rock salt structure, the coordination number of Na plus and Cl minus is 6. And to calculate the formula unit mass, instead of molecular mass in such a compound like the NaCl, which does not exist as a single entity. This is an ionic compound, and formula mass of sodium chloride is equal to atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of chlorine, and atomic mass of sodium is 23U, and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5U, and total is 58.5U. Thank you.